Are you struggling to figure out thumbnails that get clicks for your YouTube videos? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break it down straightforward, simple and easy, how to optimize your YouTube thumbnails using AI. It's going to be a straightforward solution from a cheap vendor that you could definitely apply to your own channel if you want to. We're going to break it down and show you the magic. I'm going to show you 3 different thumbnails and show you how the AI analyzes those to pick the very best one for you. But first, why is AI so useful in situations like this? Because thumbnails are complex. Those little tiny thumbnails have a lot more to do with your success than you realize. The better your thumbnail, the more clicks, the more views of your video, the faster your channel grows. So optimizing them is critically important. So why are they so complex? Because you have different pictures that you can use. You have different text you can use. You have different colors you can use. You have different images you can use. And all of those factors, all mixed together, influence how good your thumbnail ends up, right? But how are you supposed to measure and test all those different results? It feels nearly impossible until now. Let's see across 3 different types of thumbnails, which one the AI says is going to get the most clicks for my new video. All right, I put the link to TubeBuddy down below. It starts at less than $4 a month, and it has this incredible AI analyzer tool involved, which makes it worth the money just right there beyond all the other tools. Click on the link in the description below to check it out. It's pretty awesome for your business. All right, let's see how this works. So you can see I've got a thumbnail in here, but how good is that thumbnail? Is that going to get me the most clicks, or could I use a different thumbnail that's going to be better for driving clicks for my new video on how to build a successful small business? So what I do is I just click on the thumbnail analyzer here. It opens up on the right. So what I do first is I select number 2. So let's grab small business number 2 and let's see how that compares to my current thumbnail. Generates, boom. It says that's going to be 29% less effective. I don't want 29% less clicks on this video. So right now I'm going to stick with the one I've got, but I did make a third one. Let's see how that one compares. All right. So here's number 3. Let's check out this thumbnail and see what it thinks. That one's better than this one, but it's still not as good as the one I've got originally. That would lead to 13% less clicks. So for me, I want to stick with the thumbnail I've got, which means I just use the selected thumbnail. And now I don't have to guess. As I go through and work on my thumbnails, I can upload any different version that I want, use the AI analyzer to think about it and look at the thumbnail, and then choose the one that it's already telling me is going to be the best for my business. If you like this video, hit that subscribe, hit that like, as we're sharing tips that we learned about our small business website building channel on YouTube and how we've made it more successful and the tools that we've used to do so. Click on the TubeBuddy link. Do yourself a favor. It's so cheap and effective with so many tools. Give it a try. You won't regret it. It's going to help boost your business. I hope you like this video. And until then, stick around because we'll catch you in the next video where we keep teaching you how to use brand new tools to grow your business.